Let's make some fried beef bologna, y'all. Now, if you got the kind like this with the red plastic outlining on your bologna, keep that on there because that's going to be very valuable in the end. You'll see exactly what I mean here in a moment. We will be frying this in the air fryer, so let's go on over there. We're going to fry this at about 300 for about 5 minutes. All right, now that our bologna is ready, we're going to go ahead and get our bread ready for a light little toasting too. I mean, you can eat it like that on this bread. It's still fire, but we're going to fry our toast, our bread with mayo. We're not going to use butter. We're going to use mayo. Spread that on the outside of your bread. You can put it on the inside too once the sandwich is ready, but we putting this on the outside. And notice that I turned them over because it's going face down in our skillet. Right here, I got me some sliced white cheddar cheese. You can put whatever cheese you like, but I'm using white cheddar, baby. Cheese me up. And in between my two slices of bologna, I'm gonna throw some American cheese in there. And not just for so it don't slide around too much on each other, but I still like cheese anyway, so it works for me. But remember, put that mayo on here. Not don't use butter. You can use butter if you choose, but I like mayo. It gives it a nice little toasty thing on the bread too, just like butter. Check that out, y'all. hmm All right, y'all. I'm about ready to smash this, but you know what though? That is another video. So thank you guys for watching. There go the video. Be sure to check that out, y'all. Y'all saw me fixing this baby right here, right? It got a good old fried bologna. Tell you something else. I left that ring on there. You know what that ring is, right? Everybody, hold up. Let me peel.